Good afternoon, everybody. Today I am going to teach you the grammar related to the lesson The Gift of Magi. As already we had completed the lesson The Gift of Magi, now I am going to teach you the textual grammar. The first part there is phrases. A phrase is a group of words which gives meaning but not complete meaning. They have given the phrases in the form of fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the phrases given in the box below. Beggar description, at last, made for, turn inside out, on the sly, on account of, give way, look for, be on the lookout for, to attend to. Della's despair to ecstatic joy. The take-off was delayed, dash the bad weather. We are new opportunities. Her conduct is so strange that it, dash. I have some urgent work, dash. Dash, we reached home. The burglar had, dash, the house, dash. Della and Jim were, dash, each other. The two of them must have been meeting, dash. We, dash an improvement in our son's performance year. So the answers are, first one, gave way, second one, on account of, third one, on the lookout for, fourth one, beggar description, fifth one, to attend to, sixth one, at last, seventh one, turned inside out, eighth one, made for, ninth one, on the sly, 10th one, are looking for. Next one, fill in the blanks with the antonyms. Antonyms are the words which have opposite meaning or opposite word. Fill in the blanks with the antonyms of the words underlined. The iron rails, dash in summer and contract in winter. Writing a novel is a laborious process. It is not, dash. We should remain calm in, dash, as we do in times of prosperity. He is proud of his team's achievement, but is We should remain calm in dash as we do in times of prosperity. He is very proud of his team's achievement but is very dash about his own glorious achievement. The former option would be much more sensible than the dash one. In Bangalore, the value of properties has appreciated but the quality of life dash has dash. Investing in shares requires prudence. Investing all your money in shares is dash. The answers are, first one, expand, second one, simple, third one, adversity, fourth one, modest, fifth one, latter, sixth one, depreciated, seventh one, foolishness. These all are the opposite words of the given. Dialogue writing. Write an imaginary conversation between Della and Jim after they presented gifts to each other. You may begin your conversation like this. Della, why are you looking so dull? Jim, no dear, I'm not. Della, I told you my hair will grow fast. Jim, you know that I find you beautiful, whether your hair is long or short. Della, then why did you become silent on seeing me? Jim, open that present. You will understand why. Della, oh, what wonderful combs. How much I had wanted them. Jim, but Della dear, will you be able to wear them? Your hair has been cut. Della, so it is, but that doesn't matter. It's hair after all. It will grow back soon. I'll be able to wear these wonderful combs someday. Jim, never mind these. Look at what I have got for you. Jim, a platinum pop chain. Oh, Della, isn't it a dandy, Jim? I hunted all over town to find it. You will have to look at the time 100 times a day now. Jim, but Della dear, will you be able to wear them? Your hair has been cut. So it is, but that doesn't matter. It will grow back soon. It will be able to. Jim, well, let's put our Christmas presents away and keep them a while. They are too nice to use just at present. Della, why do you say so, Jim? Give me your watch. I want to see how this chain looks on it. Jim, I sold the watch to get the money to buy your combs. See, neither of us can use our gifts. Now you put the chops on. Let's eat and sleep. Report writing, reported speech. As you know that speech is of two types. One is direct, another one is indirect. Indirect speech is also called as reported speech. The actual words spoken are called direct speech. When the same words are said by another person, then it is called as reported speech or indirect speech. Now let us see the examples of reported speech. Read the following dialogues between Della and Jim carefully and rewrite it in the reported speech. Jim, darling, cried Della, don't look at me that way. I had my hair cut off and sold it. It will grow out again. You won't mind, will you? I just had to do it. You have cut off your hair? Asked Jim laboriously. Cut it off and sold it, said Della. Don't you look like me as well anyhow? I am me without my hair, aren't I? You say your hair is gone, he said with an air almost of idiocy. You need not look for it, said Della. It's sold. I tell you, sold and gone too. It's Christmas Eve, boy. Be good to me, for it went for you. Shall I put the chops on, Jim? Answers. When Jim stood to look at her, Della affectionately asked Jim not to look at her that way. She informed him that she had her hair cut off and sold it. She assured him that it would grow out again. She asked him not to mind her cutting the hair because she had to do it. In spite of all her explanations, Jim again asked her with difficulty whether she had cut off her hair. Della repeated that she had cut her hair off and sold it. She asked whether he didn't like her in spite of it. She asserted that she was the same Della even without her hair. Jim, with an air almost of idiocy, asked again whether her hair was gone. Della said with emphasis that her hair was truly sold and gone. She asked him not to look for it. She pleaded him to be good to her because it was Christmas Eve. She pointed out that her hair was gone for his sake. Then she inquired whether she put her the chops on. Question 2. Imagine you went for an interview where they asked you the following questions. Tell your partner what questions were asked using indirect speech. What's your name? How old are you? Where do you live? Have you passed the 10th standard? Do you know cycling? Why do you want to work? Why don't you continue your studies? What games do you play? How much salary do you expect? Are you ready to work for a few extra hours if you are asked to? See here the answers. Ramesh: Hi Radha, how did the interview go in the morning? Radha: Hi Ramesh, the interview was good. Ramesh: What questions did they ask? Radha: They asked me many questions, but all of them were simple. Ramesh: Can you tell me those questions? Radha: Sure. First they asked me my name. Next they asked me about my age and where I lived. They asked whether I had passed 10th standard and whether I knew cycling. They wanted to know why I desired to work and not continue my studies. They also asked what games I played and how much salary I expected. Finally, they asked whether I was ready to work for a few extra hours if they wanted me to. Now the next one is, in the following set of sentences, the sequencing of event has been jumbled up. Rearrange them and complete the given flowchart. She listens to other people and changes her mind if it is necessary. My father, on the other hand, is very stubborn. My mother is open-minded. She doesn't stick to one idea. I think they have only one personality trait in common. They are both very giving to my sister and me. If he has an opinion, he refuses to change it. The arranged sentences are: My mother is open-minded. She doesn't stick to one idea. She listens to other people and changes her mind if it is necessary. My father, on the other hand, is very stubborn. If he has an opinion, he refuses to change it. I think they have only one personality trait in common. They are both giving to my sister and me. Fill in the blanks with suitable forms of verbs. The number of visitors dash really large in the last week's school day celebration. The rapidity of these moments dash beyond expectation. Time and tide dash for none. Honor or reputation dash dearer than life. The ship with all the passenger dash sunk by the enemy. Intelligence as well as industry dash essential for success in today's competitive world. Neither the hens nor the cock dash in the yard. Either Jim or I dash going to get the prize. 20,000 rupees dash the price of a good mobile. The staff dash in a meeting. Mathematics dash my favorite subject. More than one person dash so. Many a flower dash unseen. The most readable part dash the last 3 chapters. Ship after ship dash leaving for America. The secretary and treasurer dash called me to the office. He is one of those who dash everyone. Each of the boys dash well. Every one of the chocolate dash stale. All of the pies. Some of the pie dash missing. None of the garbage dash picked up. Either of us dash capable of solving the problem. None but fools dash ever believed it. One of the students dash absent. Not only the soldiers but also the officer dash drunk. The politician along with the newsman dash expected shortly. The pair of scissors dash to my uncle. A lot of work dash to be done. I wish dash her address. Answers. The first answer was. Second answer was. Third answer waits. Fourth answer is. Fifth answer was. Sixth answer is. Seventh answer is. Eighth answer am. Ninth answer is. 11th answer are. 12th answer is. 12th answer says. 13th answer withers. 14th answer are. 15th answer is. 16th answer has. 17th answer trust. 18th answer sings. 19th answer was. 20th answer are. 21st answer is. 22nd answer was. 23rd answer is. 24th answer have. 25th answer is. 26th answer was. 27th answer is. 28th answer belongs. 29th answer has. 30th answer need.